You've both grown up in Queensland.
Oh, no.
Who do you support in the state of origin?
We got into like a pothole and we ended up nearly tipping over. And I'm up here and my mum's down there.
Charlie was just a ball magnet. Every time someone kicked a ball, it hit Charlie. So
Feeling like a kangaroo could just come up and eat all the food that you leave out overnight?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, welcome. We are here at day 2 of the MDC Muster in Queensland. How exciting. Again, the weather is fired up. It is sunny. There is a little hazy cloud in the sky, but it's nothing to worry about. It's actually AFL Grand Final day, so we're going to run a couple of podcasts, make it interesting, and then kick off into the Grand Final. But more importantly, we are flipping the script a bit today. We're not running a podcast. We're running a kids cast. We found a couple of stray kids hanging around, chasing cows, and we thought we might ask them what they think about camping and what on earth they're doing out here. Where are their parents? Can't find anybody. So we just thought we'd come and say hi. So I'm joined here with a couple of people. Wayne Chevis from MDC.
thanks, Sam.
How are you?
Very good.
And who else have we got here?
We've got Charlie and Oliver. Nice.
So where do you guys come from? Who are you, Charlie?
I'm your child.
Oh, we found one pair.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Sorry,
one
yeah,
pair.
I couldn't.
Yeah.
I'd lost you. That's all right.
I'm almost 10 and was born in New South Wales.
Fantastic.
Born in New South Wales. And what about you, Oliver?
My parents are at Airlie Beach at the moment.
They
How
did
lucky.
They did a runner, mate. Yep.
Now, your mum is very well known and you're getting very well known. You've been on a lot of camera and episodes with MDC.
Yes.
Your mum's Anya, correct?
Yes.
Amazing. So you guys cover a bit of ground. We got you guys on because you guys are probably camping pros. You probably know just as much, if not more than half the other people that are here. There's about 150 people who are here, and you guys, I reckon, would know just as much about camping as them. So we wanted to hear from you guys about what you enjoy about camping. So, Charlie, let's start with you. What do you enjoy most about camping?
I think the most I enjoy is being outside and just being more active than I usually would.
Yeah? Enjoy the freedom.
Yeah.
So you got a pretty busy lifestyle. I know you do a lot of skipping, you do a lot of dancing, all those types of things. You don't really-
Gymnastics, cello, all of that.
There's not a lot of free time in amongst all that, is there? And school.
No, and
So-
school.
So when you get out here, what's the best thing? Just,
Kind of just not having so much to do
yeah?
and just having lots of spare time.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what does that look like? Making new friends?
Yeah, playing sports I wouldn't usually play.
Like totem tennis? What we're playing cornhole earlier? Chasing Wayne? Kicking soccer balls at
Footy.
Wayne?
Soccer.
What happened
Yep.
last night, Wayne? Tell us about the soccer
look,
match that went
I
down.
don't know how that happened, but some of us adults got dragged into a free-for-all soccer match in the marquee. Myself, Vaughan and Anya were goalkeepers, and we were dodging balls left, right and centre. Oliver,
And I got hit about 7 times.
Charlie was just a ball magnet. Every time someone kicked a ball, it hit Charlie. So
But I saw her kick it into a few people as well, so I think it went both ways, right?
yes, very, very much, yeah.
What about you, Oliver? What do you enjoy about camping?
You can learn to be independent when camping
Yeah?
and learn all like the valuable skills of camping and be able to do more than you can at home.
Yeah? So kind of looking after yourself a bit.
Yeah.
So what does that mean? You sort of get up and do you have to brush your teeth without being told, or do you just get up, get to make your own breakfast and have to make your own bed and keep your things all organised?
Yeah, it teaches you a lot of independence.
Yeah. Is there something you might have learned the most? Because I think out of all of us here, you've probably travelled and camped the most out of everybody, and definitely camped in the most places. So what's something that really stands out to you where you've gone, oh, I'm really glad I did that?
Getting to learn about different places and lands.
Yeah. So the lands that you travel on and things like that.
Yeah.
So you're learning about the places that you're visiting and educating yourself as well.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So where have you been? Tell us about some of your adventures.
Well, I've been to a lot of places.
You have. You think you can name a couple?
I've been to Cape York. I've been to Fraser, Arizona, Utah.
All round New South Wales, probably all
Yeah.
round Queensland. Too many places to remember.
We did the Flinders as well, mate. Yeah.
Yes.
Did a trip down the Flinders.
I think you've been to Big Red Bash a couple of times.
Yes.
How many?
The Mundy Bash?
He's
I
not
didn't go
done
to the
Oh,
Monday.
you didn't go to
No, I
Mundy?
didn't do Monday. How many times did you climb Big Red, mate?
12 or 13.
All right, how many times did you make Link climb Big Red in one day?
In one day, 5 or 6.
Oh, jeez.
So we're talking about the Big
Yeah.
Red sand dune out
Yeah.
at the Big Red Bash.
The Big Red, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Mate, how old are you?
I'm 10 in 2 weeks.
So you've already been travelling, international camper, and you're not even 10. How about that? What a box to tick. What about you, Charlie? Where have you been camping and really liked the most?
I think the place I've liked the most is Stradbroke Island or Morden Island.
Yeah. What are the things that you like the most about those?
I love the beach. It's probably one of my favourite places, but I think camping there kind of made it a bit more exciting.
Yeah. What was it? Feeling like you're more outdoors than staying in a hotel or something like
Yeah.
that? Yeah.
Yeah, just feeling more outdoors.
Feeling like a kangaroo could just come up and eat all the food that you leave out overnight?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've seen that happen. Where else have you been? Or we been, I should say. Can you remember all the places we've been?
Fraser Island, Tasmania. We did
the Darling River
Yeah,
a
the
couple of years
Darling
at Darling
River.
River Run, and we drove to Adelaide.
Yeah, we did
That's a good run,
Adelaide. What else?
Oh, we've been to, I'm starting to lose track. Pebbly Beach in New South Wales.
Yeah.
Yeah,
did
we've been to
that. We did-
Coolindale on the south coast of New South Wales.
Can't remember any other places.
We've done lots. It all
Yeah.
becomes a bit of a blur, doesn't
Yeah.
it? So you're not quite 10 as well. So you guys have got some good track records. So what do you like traveling in the most? So you've got a swag, we've got a camper trailer, and you've also been lucky enough to come and stay in some of the caravans. So what do you like the most traveling in?
Probably traveling in a trailer, I would say, because you've kind of got, like, with the camper vans, like, for example, because we've borrowed one, like, you don't know where stuff is, but if you use your trailer, you know where everything is.
So it's having something that you're familiar with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
What about you, Oliver?
Probably a caravan because there's a lot, like, you can take a lot of things if you need it.
Yeah.
And then you just, like, you know where it is if you put it in, like,
Yeah, put it in the right spot. You can be independent, look after your own things, put them in your own drawer, have your own space.
yes.
Yeah, that's perfect. I think it's probably pretty handy having a toilet and stuff on board too, isn't it?
Shower, yeah. Yep.
Shower, yeah.
I think the best thing with kids when they start camping young is, like Oliver said, you do learn to be independent. Like, there's been a few times where this weekend alone we've gone, we're at Charlie and Oliver, and they're just off on a little adventure. So
Yeah.
it's it certainly teaches kids to be independent and very resilient. So, you know, they keep themselves occupied a lot of the time. So
Absolutely. I can remember we were camping in a tent once and it rained really hard, didn't it, Charlie, at Coolindale? And the tent collapsed, and I think you were
Yeah.
about 2 at the time.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
taught you to be resilient. You're like, oh no, we've got to rebuild the tent.
character
Yeah.
building.
But we got through, didn't we? We got through all
Yeah.
right. So we've had our little lessons. And we've had Eden up the beach, our little one. We had her up the beach at 6 weeks old for a week up at Tiwa. 6
Oh.
weeks, not 6 months. 6
Yeah.
weeks she was up there. That was pretty cool. So what is it that I guess you guys have got out? You guys have met each other. This is the first time you've become friends. So what does coming and camping with a group mean to you guys? Do you prefer camping just as a little small family or in a big group like this where there's lots of other people?
I probably prefer being in a group because you get to meet more people, like talk to new people,
Yep.
make friends with other people. But if you're with your family, you don't really get to experience that,
Look,
like meeting new people.
my favourite part of this weekend is your kids picking on the camera guy. So
The camera crew are the biggest kids out of all of them, I think. They're out there doing cartwheels and playing soccer and mucking about.
they're
which is
doing
good
yoga
fun.
this morning.
Doing yoga. So that's cool. Now, Oliver, you talked a little bit about being independent.
Yes.
We talked about packing things away and looking after yourselves. What about things like cooking? Do you like to cook or do you do any cooking or anything?
I wouldn't. I like cooking, but I'd cook with someone
Yeah?
because I like cooking, but I'm not a bit of a cook.
You're still learning,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, you're only 9. That's okay, mate. We don't need you to, you don't have to cook a whole roast dinner yet. You can work up to that.
I was actually just going to ask, what's your favourite snack when you're camping, Oliver? If you could pick one snack, what's your favourite snack?
Any sort of chips.
What about cheesels?
Cheezels.
Oh, cheesels.
Oh, Jesus, not bad.
No.
What about Wayne's chicken wings? Wayne's a good cook.
Yes, he is.
They're not bad.
Yeah,
He
chicken
would have
wings?
cooked you a few dinners.
Do you know what? Sam made really nice pizzas last night.
Yeah,
and
he would.
we were sitting over at our caravan going, we haven't seen Oliver for like an hour, and he's over there just like
Just woofing pizzas.
wolfing pizzas down.
Actually, I made the pizza doughs.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
did.
Charlie, that was really cool yesterday. Charlie's
She
out
did.
there kneading the dough and flipping it over.
The-
What's your number one snack for camping, Charlie?
Mine would probably be s'mores.
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 S'mores. Yeah.
All right, tell people what s'mores are. So not everybody's heard of s'mores.
So they're technically like a chocolate and marshmallow biscuit kind of. So you put two biscuits out and you put marshmallows on one side and chocolate on the other, and then you put them together and you wrap it in foil and you put it in the fire,
Oh.
and then when you take it out, it's like this marshmallowy, chocolatey,
Deliciousness.
yeah.
Aren't they amazing? Another
Yeah.
good variation of that is to make campfire cones. So you get waffle cones
Yeah.
and you fill them
Oh.
up with
Yeah,
chocolate and marshmallows
Yeah.
and some berries maybe, and put those in the fire.
How have
Yeah.
I never heard of these before?
Oh, I know. You're the
Campfire
chef, mate.
cones.
You're the qualified chef. What's going on?
Campfire cones. Oliver, did you know about these?
No, I did not.
Oh, well, this
Well,
is life changing.
We'll have to
Yeah.
educate you, right? So that's a hot tip. But Charlie, you also like making damper. That's been something you've
Yeah.
made since you were really young.
Yeah.
What's your favourite thing about damper?
Probably because I've been doing it for a long time. It's just gotten like
Gets easier.
and it's like fun to make as well.
You just like getting messy, don't you?
Yeah.
And what are we going to make? I think you're going to be part of the bake-off tomorrow.
Yeah.
What are you going to make for that, or is it a secret?
I'm only giving one hint. It's gonna be a damper, but it's not gonna be plain.
I'm a
That's-
judge in the bake-off, Charlie. I will accept snacks as bribes, so you win. Okay.
We can give him a bit of chocolate on the side, maybe.
Yes.
No, you're talking about doing a bit of a sweet damper, I think, aren't you?
Yeah.
Bit of like a dessert damper.
Yeah. It's got savory in it.
Yep.
But I would kind of say it's sweet.
I think it's going to be delicious. I think it's
Yeah.
right up there. I think it'll be right up there. Look out, everybody who's doing the bake-off.
Yeah.
You're in trouble.
I've got another sideways question for the kids. If you could invent one tool for camping, like a super awesome tool or gadget, what would it be? Charlie?
It would probably be it'd probably just be
These are life-altering questions.
an electric kitchen.
An electric kitchen.
Well, that's a good one.
Oh, that is good.
What would
yeah.
that
Yeah.
help you do?
You wouldn't have to set it up, and
So just push
Yeah.
button and it'll all just fold
Yeah.
out and just start cooking for you.
yeah.
Oh, that's what Wayne does. You
We'll
just push his button and he just comes out and starts cooking for you.
Well, we'll have to add that to the next model development meeting.
What about you, Oliver?
Ollie,
So is it like a superhuman?
Yeah, whatever.
whatever you want, mate. Yeah.
Probably a machine that just makes anything you want.
Cool.
Oh,
So
nice. Mary Poppins machine.
It's a bit of an AI machine. You could just ask
Yeah.
it to do anything. It'll just make it for you.
Yeah.
That's like Wayne too. You just
Look
go,
at the
hey,
AI
Wayne,
bot."
make me ice cream.
Hey,
Okay,
Wayne, can we do this?
Sure. So what's been a couple more questions. Now, what's been the most memorable experience you've had camping? It could be exciting, it could be fun, or it could be scary. What's something that's you'll always remember?
Probably the day where the camper collapsed.
When we're in Tasmania
Yeah.
and it rained so hard
It
that the
rained
annex
so
filled up with
hard.
water. And,
Yeah, and it just came crashing down, and
Yeah.
I heard the loudest bang.
and what happened? Explain what happened after that. How did we fix it?
Then I woke up and Dad woke up at the same time as me, and then he raced outside and he like picked up the awning, and then we realized that one of the poles had like bent completely,
Mm.
and we couldn't find another pole to use, so we kind of just had to set it up without that pole, and it was at like midnight, I think.
It was about 5 in the morning.
No,
and
it would've been
wasn't.
like,
It was because we'd just woken up, but
Yeah.
the thing was, I was out there in the nudie and had to had to fix up all in the rain, and it was
Dad
about
running
5
around.
degrees. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
pretty funny. Even
And
I
then I
thought that was
came-
pretty funny.
And then I came racing out, and I was like, oh no. Because I just thought it would have just fell, and it would have just been like we could just put it back up.
No.
But then the pole was just completely bent, which made everything 10 times harder.
That's right. Oliver, what about you? What's been probably the most memorable experience you've had?
When we were on a trip one time, there was a chicken track and then like a pro track.
Yep.
And we took the pro track, and then we got into like a pothole, and we ended up nearly tipping over. And I'm up here, and my mum's down there.
That would have been pretty scary.
Yeah, we had something like that once. We went up one of the big hills, and we just stood. We got like stuck on a rock,
We did.
and yeah, we were kind of inching back, and I was screaming because like I would have been like 5 or
Yeah,
6.
about that. 4 or 5.
Yeah, and then Dad got his friends to come and help us, and I was like, oh no, we're gonna tip back and we're all gonna die.
Yeah, that was with the 4-wheel drive club. That was a fun
Yeah.
trip. That was a fun
Yeah.
trip too. So, what if there were other kids thinking about going camping? They weren't quite sure, or mums and dads that are thinking, "Wonder if I could take my kids camping." Is it hard to do? Do you think?
I think if it's your first time camping, it might have a little bit of difficulty, but I think after 1 or 2 times you're gonna get really used to it.
Yeah.
And it's just gonna get easier every time.
And it's okay to ask for help, isn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely. That's why it's good to come with a group too, because you can ask lots of questions and things like that.
Yeah.
What about you, Oliver? You got any advice for people?
Yeah, as Charlie said, just if it's your first time, just come and try it, because you'll know if you love it or not.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Like give it a try.
Yeah, it doesn't have to have rules, do you? You can just come out and do whatever you want in your own time.
Yeah.
Kids can run around, have a great time, make new friends.
It's very sage wisdom from 2 kids
Isn't
that
it?
aren't even 10.
I know.
Yeah, yeah.
They know what's going on. Absolutely. Well, what's one of the things you're looking forward to doing this weekend? We've got a couple of days left.
Mine's probably the bake off or the watching the footy tonight.
Watching the footy?
Yeah. Oliver, what about you?
Probably watching the footy or going for a swim in the river, the creek.
Yeah, in the Billabong over
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
That looks really good, doesn't it? That might be this afternoon when it's really hot.
I'd just like
Yeah.
to raise a point here. There was a bit of controversy this morning. I was talking to the kids. So we're in Queensland. You both live in Queensland. You've both
Yeah.
grown up in Queensland.
Oh no.
Who do you support in the state of origin?
This is gonna hurt for the Queenslanders, but I go for the New South Wales because that's where I was born, and it's probably
Disappointing.
And,
Well, so does Wayne, though.
no,
Oh,
no,
actually,
I'm
no,
a
you were
Queenslander.
born in
Yeah, and
Queensland, yeah.
Oliver?
Well, I was born in Queensland, but my parents were born in New South Wales, so I go
Ugh.
for New South Wales.
Oh, dude. Origin. State of origin.
State of origin.
where
That's
you,
it.
Where you started. That's okay. All right, guys. Well, look, we've really loved having you here. Have you enjoyed it?
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's been fun, hasn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
Cracking.
Well, thanks for joining us. Thanks to Uncle Wayne for coming and helping out, playing soccer, keeping you guys entertained.
I look forward to the rematch tonight, kids.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I don't
Well,
know who
Oliver's-
won. but-
You
Oliver's
guys
over there having
keep
a
running
crisis.
amok. Keep the sunscreen
Yeah.
on. It's hot and sunny out here. And we really thank you guys for coming on. So thanks so much.
Drink water, sunscreen.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us, guys. It's been another great episode. Stay tuned. Please like, please subscribe. And we look forward to seeing you on the next podcast.